In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check screen time on Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. Once you are at Settings, you need to scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. That's where you can easily check your screen time data for today, and also if you tap right here at this graph button, you will be taken to the page where you can easily check your screen time data for the last week. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.